I'm going to show you how to keep your outdoor trash cans clean with just a bag. Here's how. Trash bags can't stretch wide enough to fit over our large 35 to 95 gallon outdoor trash cans. But when you clip your bag onto BagEZ trash bag holders, everything changes. You can now hang your bag in your bin using its raised edge, and it's where all your messy waste, like dirty diapers, pet and food waste, the stuff that makes your trash can stink, will go, while you use your bin like you normally do by using the large opening to throw clean trash directly into it. This method allows you to use your container to capacity while stopping nasty stuff from touching, sticking to, and stinking up your trash can. It's simple, easy, and it works. On garbage day, pull off the clips, tie the bag, put BagEZ away, and place your garbage can at the curb for the garbage truck to empty. It's that easy. No water, no chemicals, no effort. Just BagEZ, a bag, and job done. To learn more, visit BagEZ.com and use the code BagEZ10 to get 10% off your order.